Go medals! Go medals! Depende. Depende din. Depende sa, kunyari, babalo.
Hindi kasi may iba na ano.
Yung masakit kasi may
Let's go.
doon nasa kapita.
Okay. Pasok ka na. Service.
Ganila ng laruan pa.
Tawag kaya. Pelos.
Coach nila kanino. Okay lang yan!
Pasok ka na.
Pasok! Nice up. Na! Inside! Okay, tapos kita.
Yeah, that's fine. Nice attack. Hello.
Weapon!
Hello.
Nice one! Pumasok din! Ay, shit! Nice one!
Nice. Follow. 3-1. Number 30, service. Attack number 16 and point for Grand Pasadena. And Pasadena point. Nice job. Middle point. Excite si sir. Hello. Pasadena point. Number 16. Service. Nice receive, attack. Nice receive, and short. Medals point. Outside, white, 5 medals. Number 30 is a service. Received by number 16, attack. Number 11, attack. Ayan nga. Pasadena. Score natin 6-5. Attack 11 point for Meadows. That point is brought to you by Pancake Saving. Happy Mother's Day. Pasadena point. Nice attack. Hindi na-control yung bola. Meadows 8-6 score natin. Nice. The score, Meadows 9-6. Happy viewing sa lahat ng mothers. Number 6 sinatak kay Lalab. Attack and point from Meadows. 10-6. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang set 4? Makakabawi kaya ang Grand Meadows or Grand Pasadena na? Get out! Kasi pero hindi na control ang bola. Pasadena point. Meadows point. Lista mo na yan. Number 6 ng Meadows. Receive number 16. Attack ni number 16. Outside point for Meadows. Server po tayo. Timeout. Pasadena. The score knocking 14-7. In favor of Grand Meadows.
Timeout lang pala yan.
This timeout is brought to you by This timeout is brought to you by Pinay Special Halo Halo. Okay naman. Honest review po sa Pinay Halo Halo. Wow na wow. And more siomay. Alphonse Trophy, grand opening May 18 po. May 22 na naman. balot. Another point for Meadows. 16-7. Lumalayo ang Grand Meadows. Attack na number 16. Another one. Outside point for Grand Pasadena. Score natin 16-8. Captain is brought to you by Butler's Coffee. Yung kape daw. This game is brought to you by Butler's Coffee.
Good service lang!
Soft opening on May 22. 2025.
Go, Layla!
Another point for Meadows. And service error. Hello.
Invited po kayo sa 8/22/2025 sa soft opening ng coffee shop ni Miss Evelyn, located at Grand Parkway at the back of the store.
Nice one. Grand Meadows.
Ako na natin yan. Drawing.
Ito na yung energy ko.
Drawing pala, drawing na.
Nice one!
This coming May 22, Wednesday.
Meadows. 2010.
Libre po ang unang higop, pero yung pangalawang higop may bayad na.
Another point. Meadows.
Unbearing din.
Another point. Meadows. 22-10.
10-20.
Go, Lala!
Service lang up. And
My God! Go, Mari! What are you doing? Ito, after 50 na yung exit nila. Kasi 25 pa din. Sabi daw after 50 na.
Bawi yan. May delivery pa yan, Lalan.
Ang inside!
Pasobra.
points. Pasadena.
Go, Zion! Ano kaya na yan? Yan sa'yo!
Point.
Taking call for volleyball boys. Rodmore versus Catalina. Habang muna ni Mr. Al Santos.
Nice save. And number 6. Cesar.
Wala pang training yan.
Last two. Last two. Set point.
8. Gandang service doon ni point.
Ramen!
Set point for medals.
Ramen!
Last one.
Sa likod natin.
Sabi na. Ayan na! Okay! Medals!
Over.
And we are tied! We are going to set time!